So hello students, now we are here with polynomial exercise 2.2 question number 3. There are 8 questions in this particular question. There are 8 sub questions in this particular question. I have selected some of them 1, 2, 6 and 7. Okay, so we are going to solve this problem and check. What we have to do is verify whether the following are 0 of the polynomial or not, which are given indicated against them. So this is the polynomial, it is separated by comma. So after the comma, the values which are given are the values of x, the values of variable, and we have to verify is it a 0 of a polynomial or not. As I told you, what is 0 of a polynomial? If we put the value of variable into the equation and if it, after solving that you are getting 0, that means this is a 0 of a polynomial. That means आसान शब्दों में अगर ये वैल्यू पुट अप करने के बाद हमको 0 मिला तो yes it is a 0 of a polynomial, अगर नहीं मिला तो no it is not a 0 of a polynomial. So let us solve the very first question. I will be not writing the question, direct I will go for the solution. Solution for first p of x. So p of x, what is x? Minus 1 by 3. So I will take minus 1 by 3 is equals to 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1. This will give you 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 get cancelled. I left with minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. Hence, yes, it is 0 of polynomial. Understood? So in this way we can solve the other problems also. This was the first one. We'll go for the second one now. I hope you understood this. In the same way we have to proceed for the second one. The second question is 5x minus pi. So p of, what is the value in front of that given? 4 by 5. So p of 4 by 5 is equals to 5x minus pi. 5x minus pi. So 5, what is the value of x? 4 by 5 minus pi. 5 cancel, 4 minus pi. So some of the students try to use the other sense and they put up the value here. No need to put up the value. 4 minus 5 is not 0. So hence this is not equals to 0. That means it is not, verify करना है ना हमको. So not 0 of polynomial. Okay. So in this way this is the not 0 of a polynomial. We'll go for the next one. Solution 3. Third solution. Here I will write the question, that is p of x is equals to lm plus m. Correct? This is lm plus m and the value of x which is given as minus m upon l. So see that here instead of x what I have used? I have used minus m upon l. So minus m upon l is equals to l. Now instead of x, I guess I have written the wrong question. I'll just check it out once. Lm, yes, that is correct. This is question number. It is not p of m, it is p of, sorry, it is not p of x, it is p of m. Lx is. The question is, this is not m, this is x. I have written the wrong question. So anyways, so now instead of x what we will write? We will write minus m upon l plus m. Simple. L get cancelled. Minus m plus m is left. Minus m plus m, minus 2 plus 2, 0. This is 0. Yes, it is 0 of polynomial. Alright. So let's go for the last question. Though there are 8 questions, you tried by yourself to solve that. If any problem, please do comment so that I can resolve your problem. So the last one is p of x is equals to 3x square minus 1. Okay, what is x? First we are taking this x, second we are taking this x. two values are given. Here 1 values were given, here 2 values were given. So we'll take this values. So P of first one minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 is equals to 3 minus 1 upon root 3 square minus 1. So this will give you 3 minus 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3 minus 1. So 3 get cancelled, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Hence this is also a 0 of a polynomial. So yes, it is 0 of polynomial. So this was for this. Now we'll take this. Now for 2 by root 3. So P of 2 by root 3 is equals to 3 2 by root 3 square minus 1. ये देखने से ही पता चलता है कि 0 नहीं आने वाला. Let us solve. 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3 minus 1 is equals to 3 get cancelled, 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. It is not a 0 of a polynomial, hence verified. Alright. Okay, so some of the students will have doubt in this 2 by root 3 का square. तो whenever there is a question like this, what we are doing, ये जो 2 है पहले इसका भी स्क्वायर लेंगे और इसका भी स्क्वायर लेंगे. If you remember laws of indices in last year, a upon b to the power m will be equals to a to the power m upon b to the power m. Okay, so that is why I have taken the square of both the individuals. Okay, so in this way we have solved this 4 problems. You try the remaining problem. If any doubt, please do comment. Thank you.